Simple solutions to life.
Hello, welcome to our channel. Yes, in case you are seeing me for the first time, today is the first time you are clicking on our channel, seeing my video, you're welcome. And if you are our returning subscribers, God bless you. I really appreciate you guys. Yes, today we just we tested going on live, and the number of people that came on board is very encouraging. I just want to say thank you, and we'll be doing this on weekly basis. So we'll be coming on live, so that if you have any question, you have anything you want to ask me, or anything you want us to talk about, then you can join us, then we can discuss. Okay, so guys, today I want to talk to us about onion and salt bath. Yes, see, we uploaded video recently. We're talking about lemon and salt bath. Lemon and salt bath, and in fact, there have been tremendous testimonies already, that are coming up on daily basis. So now, and again, we also uploaded video on the concept of 222 and salt. Yes, and people are coming up again with a lot of testimonies. So guys, what is that thing that is bothering you? What is that area of your life that you're feeling down? You're feeling the enemy is slowing you down, or you are having some attacks? Don't worry. God will give us solution in this place together. Okay? So we want to talk about onion and salt bath today. How do you do it? And who is supposed to do onion and salt baths? Who is supposed to, what are you supposed to get? Or what are your expectations if you carry out this particular spirituality? Yes. See, it's not all about do this and that. The reason nobody will tell you this and that. No, we'll come here, we'll explain to you what this thing means and what you stand to gain from carrying out this particular spiritual exercise. Yes, you will look at it whether you want to do it or not. And if you see that you don't need that, you can just decide not to do it. But if you see that you need it, then you can do it. Okay, so guys, don't worry. Onion, as you see, has a lot of spiritual importance in our lives. Okay, like I told us last time, if you burn onion in your home, you will attract riches, you will attract wealth, you attract money. Yes, in your life, in your home, in your business, in your career. Yes, you attract money. There are different ways of attracting money into our lives, and burning of onion shell is part of them. That is onion skin, that dried back of onion. Yes, because some people ask me, Medilog, what is onion shell? So now, this what do they call? Today, I want to teach us something on how to why we should use onion and salt to bathe. When you use, we do clove and salt bath. Yes, but onion and salt bath is also a very strong spiritual cleansing, that when you carry out this, nobody can just maltreat you anyhow. Yes, you will see that things will be falling for you in the right places of life. Yes. See, if you are facing a lot of disappointment, you are facing a lot of limitations, you are facing a lot of lack. Yes, some people, their body is having covenant with lack, poverty. Yes, If you are relating with them, you marry them, whether you are a man or you're a woman, you become like them. Yes, there are people like that. And there are some people that they know that this is the problem they are having, but they don't know how to go about it. Today, I'm here to tell us how we can handle this particular problem. Okay? So, guys, please don't run off. I know some of you stay after 5 minutes. You say, Medilock is making too much noise. Let me just go. See, be patient. I'll explain to you. You are not paying me for this. Okay? It's free of charge. So, very soon we'll be creating membership so that there are other things that will be teaching you, so you pay to join that group. Yes, on YouTube. Yes, so that you will know there are other areas of spirituality that you need to know, or some heights you need to climb. Okay, so just get your onions, any color of your onions, because somebody was asking me in the comment section last time, Medilock, must it only be red onions or purple onions? Can we use any other color? And I responded, I said yes, you can use any other color of onion as long as it is onion. Onion is onion, whether it is blue, it is green, it is white, brown, or purple or red, whichever color of onion. Onion is onion. Just use it. Okay? So now, how do you carry out onion and salt bath? Remember, onion has a very strong, pungent kind of aroma. Let me say aroma, not say smell. So, what you need to do is you slice the onion. Get one ball of onion like this. Slice it. The reason why we ask you to slice some things spiritually is because it needs to release its spiritual potency into that particular water or solution you want to use. Okay? So, because if you just put one ball of onion, it will not release that which it's supposed to release. But when you slice it, what is inside of the onion will come into the water. Okay? Then soak it for just maybe a few minutes, maybe 5 minutes or 10 minutes. It depends on your timing. But if you have enough time on your hand, you can soak it for like 30 minutes. Just slice it and soak it down. Then use salt. You can use either sea salt or you can use normal salt that you're using in your house to cook. Yes, just take like a pinch of the salt like this, just take like this and just add. When you add it to the water, stir it together, allow it to mix a while, then remove the onions, the sliced onions inside the water, just remove them, filter the water, then that water, you will add it to your bathing water, okay? And this bath, you are not going to use sponge, because some people will call me and say, Medilock, are we supposed to use sponge or soap to bathe? No, this is a pure high spiritual bath, okay? Anything that you do with onion, it has instant result like this. Yes. So you are not going to use soap, you are not going to use sponge, okay? You carry out this bath and allow the water to dry on your body. I know some of us are in a very cold region where there's a chilling cold. What you need to do is when you shower, then you wear your robe, okay? Your shower robe. Their shower robe is like towel. Just wear it, okay? And sit for a while. Let the goodness of this thing go into your body, okay? Then you can just dress up. You can rub cream. Yes, because some people still ask me, Medilock, are we supposed to rub cream? Are we supposed to rub our normal cream? Yes, you can rub your normal cream, but I normally advise people do this bath at night. Okay, do it at night, like when you want to go to bed. When you want to go to bed, just carry out this spiritual bath. But remember to pray. Remember to say that particular thing that is disturbing you. You understand? Say it that as I'm using this to beat, let it so and so that's been happening in my life, let it stop. I want to start witnessing goodness, breakthrough. No more disappointment, no more failure, no more limitation, no more stagnation. All those people that have forgotten me, let them begin to remember me. You understand? So all these things, when you pray them, you will see wonders. This thing works like fire. Okay? So it is very simple. If you are a Muslim, you pray your Muslim way. If you are a Christian, you pray your Christian way. Okay? And if you are a free thinker, then you pray your own free thinking way. Yes. Whichever way you pray. Make sure you have faith in God, because God is the amplifier. God is the power that makes everything to be possible. Yes. And you can select the Bible verse of your choice, like Psalm. You understand? Look for a favorable Psalm to do it. Read this and then you will see. You can read Isaiah chapter 60. You understand? Apart from Psalm in the Bible. Yes. And you will see God will bring to pass everything. You will bring them to pass quickly. God will be in a hurry. Yes. While you are battling with this breakthrough, before you can organize yourself and how you can use it, you will release another one. You release another one. You keep releasing them to your life. Anything you put your hand inside, you see that it will start prospering. Yes, it will progress. It is your own plot of land that you see all this telecommunication company, their radar will find your plot of land and say, okay, we want to establish our network. We want to build it here. Then you will now come up and say, yes, I am the owner of the land. I am not selling it. I want to lease it out to you people. You pay me royalty every year. Yes, now, you pay me $1 million. Or if you pay me, maybe, you call your money. Yes, you call it. Because no other land will do, it is your own that will do. Yes. Then every year, your land is there. You will not sell it, but they are paying you something. Yes. See, there's nothing that God cannot do. Even your village, God can send things like that to happen. So guys, try this and let's see how it goes, okay? Thank you and God bless. Bye.